Hi. In this video, we will learn about formula auditing with F2 and F5 in Excel.
When a formula links to other worksheets, it's difficult to go back and forth to manually check the links. For example, if you go into this cell, so this is the formula. So this is linking to this sheet and E4 cell. So if I go to that sheet, you'll see this is the cell. So after we check this, we can go back. So to do this manually becomes cumbersome. So here, double click or click twice and the F5 key combination will help you to overcome these issues. For this to work, you will have to change a setting in Excel. Generally, when you double click on a formula, you go to edit mode. So we need to change the settings here to stop Excel going into edit mode when you double click. To do that, you can go to File, Options, then you go to Advanced, and there you will see Allow editing directly in cells. So when this tick is there, when you double click, it will take you into editing mode. To stop that, we can remove this tick mark and say OK. Now if I come here into this cell and I do a double click, see I go to the other sheet where that cell is linked to. So it takes you to the first of the formula inputs, which happens to be on this sheet over here. Then once you want to go back, you can press the F5 key and Enter key. And then you can go back. So again, if you press double click here, you will go to the cell reference in the other sheet. And then you can press F5 and you can again press OK here or press Enter to come back. If you check the formula in this cell over here, on the formula bar you see it's E3 minus E4. So the two other cells that's linked to this cell is in the same sheet. In this case, if you double click, what will happen is those two linked cells will get highlighted. So if it's on another sheet, you can go to that other sheet by doing the double click like we did here in this cell. Or if the linked cells are in the same sheet, they will get highlighted like in this example over here.
Thanks for watching.